Imagine a world where presidential luxury meets the open road, where every mile feels like a private limousine ride through the future. That's exactly what the 2026 Lincoln Motorhome brings to life. This isn't just an RV, it's a mobile sanctuary of American craftsmanship, a rolling mansion built for those who crave elegance, silence, and power in perfect harmony. The first thing that hits you is its majestic stance, sculpted chrome lines, a glowing Lincoln emblem that breathes sophistication, and adaptive crystal LED lighting that gives it a commanding presence, day or night. Built on a reinforced hybrid electric platform, the 2026 Lincoln Motorhome combines V8 performance with electric serenity, delivering torque that moves mountains while whispering through the wind like a ghost. Step inside, and you're greeted by an atmosphere that feels like the inside of a penthouse suite rather than a vehicle. Every surface is wrapped in hand-stitched leather, accented by open-pore walnut wood, and illuminated by soft ambient lighting that automatically adjusts to your mood. The floor. Real hardwood with built-in heating. The ceiling. A starlit fiber-optic sky that fades from sunset gold to deep space blue as night falls. The living space is designed for absolute tranquility. A massaging recliner lounge, a panoramic smart TV, and a voice-controlled environment powered by Lincoln's Sanctuary AI respond to your every command. Want to dim the lights, close the blinds, or activate the scent diffuser? Just whisper, and the system obeys. The kitchen follows the same philosophy, clean, modern, and practical luxury. It's equipped with induction cooking, auto-clean countertops, a refrigerator with climate zones, and even a hidden espresso station that slides out of the wall. Lincoln has merged design and convenience so seamlessly, you'll forget you're in a motorhome. The master suite is a masterpiece of design, a queen-size floating bed, surrounded by adaptive soundproof panels that create a cocoon of silence. The walls can transition from wood textures to digital screens, displaying views from exterior cameras or even streaming your favorite movie. It's private, smart, and breathtakingly elegant. But the 2026 Lincoln Motorhome isn't all about luxury, it's about capability too. With all-wheel drive torque vectoring, auto-leveling suspension, and solar-assisted battery regeneration, this beast can conquer rough terrain while feeling smoother than silk. The self-parking and terrain scanning system make driving it as relaxing as watching a sunset. Then there's the tech. The front cockpit feels like stepping into the future, a 48-inch ultra-wide display, haptic steering feedback, and an AI chauffeur mode that takes full control when you want to relax. And when you do take the wheel, the Lincoln Motorhome glides with an elegance that no other vehicle can match. The attention to detail is so profound that even the sound design was tuned by Revel audio engineers. Every click, tone, and chime feels symphonic. And with biometric access, your vehicle knows who you are before you even step inside. The Lincoln Motorhome is more than transportation. It's a statement. It tells the world that elegance and adventure can coexist, that you can travel the earth without ever leaving your world of peace. Every mile in the 2026 Lincoln Motorhome is a journey through sophistication. Every stop feels like a grand arrival. Whether parked in front of a mountain range or gliding through the city at night, it commands attention, respect, and admiration. This is the new era of luxury mobility, where Lincoln's legacy meets limitless horizons. A motorhome not built for the crowd, but for the few who understand what it means to truly arrive.